We are here not just to honor our flag, but also to celebrate progress and renewed commitment to public service.
Ammo apo itiri nayo ammo dagitoy parikot nga sangsangwen nyo nang nangruna ti inaldaw-aldaw nga pinagserbiyo ti Pagilian. Iso nga that opened our eyes and our resolve with then Mayor Manuling Ortega aging ganay di gobernador apo hang kami nga nagsardeng nga mangkita nga ma-enhance mi iti performance ti capability iti kapulisan tayo.
In today's fast-paced world, effective crime prevention and response rely heavily on speed and in information. The new tools will enable our police force to be more agile, more connected, and more efficient to solve crime, respond to emergencies, and most importantly, proactively ensure the safety and security of every resident in our beautiful province.
Dato'y apo na witness yo nga pinangyawat tayo iti pagsayaatan ti performance dagitoy nga equipment apo is geared to enhance the performance, the police visibility in our province, especially the populated areas. Digitay ayan apo ti turista tayo, digitay ayan ti businesses tayo. Because this will be giving progress to our area or to our province.
To our men and women in uniform, these new assets are more than just a tool. They are an investment in your well-being, in your ability to fulfill your soul.
In behalf of the province of La Union, in behalf of the Vocales, the Vice Governor, and all of us, agyaman kami kada kayo apo iti sakripisyo yo nga dakkel.